Many believe the Terranoids, scientists of Pollux Industries, had skateboard to attend something. I'll let y'all read it. I'm not even gonna bother. Okay. What's going on, guys? Just me here, and welcome to Ratchet and Clank Before the Nexus. I know it. Okay. Alright. Okay. Tap and hold to helicopter, jetpack, walk, I guess. Okay. I gotcha. Okay. Hold up. Start the game. Jesus Christ, we're already going in it. Oh my god, what the? What's the Sonic Colors? Yep. This is Sonic Colors. This is Sonic Colors. If you don't know what Sonic Colors is, it's a game that came out for the Wii a few while back. What? Oh, it's a fire. Oh, okay. Oh, jeez. What? 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 How is she can wrangle up these here skill points, partner? I'll chance you, partner. Huh. Bruh. Portal. No, it's bruh. Alright, let's try this again. What? Ow. Okay, can't take another hit. 2 hits? Really? Alrighty. Now it's Subway Surfers. What is this, a rage game? Charm the skin. Apparently this was before the Nexus. Oh, you can double jump. Alrighty. Okay. I got this. Really? How do you dodge that? Seriously, how do you dodge that? I did not expect rage when I saw this game. I don't know if all Ratchet and Clank games are like this. I doubt they are. Actually, no, they're not, because I played a Ratchet and Clank game. And it was not anything like this. This is what happens when you see things that's on consoles for mobile. How do I hit these things, man? Hit the thing, will you? I survived. I survived. That's a good sign. Well, that's a good thing. Jump over here, and then jump right there. And then jump over here. Okay, and then jump over here. Jump here. Jump. Oh, yes. Give me them hero bolts. Oh my god. Oh my, are you kidding me? Oh my god, okay. Okay, now I know that you're not just supposed to be shooting on one side, you're actually supposed to like swipe it to kill them. I didn't know that. Okay, see, I'm learning. I'm learning. I'm learning. Oh, okay. Uh-huh. Now I know. I figured it out. Ow. How do you dodge that? All right. Bruh. Okay. No more games. What the heck was that? No more games. Jesus Christ. Alright, I'm done with this mess. I'm done with this mess. Howdy, partner. Really? That was it? Alright. Don't know what I did. Okay, nothing happening so far. Okay, here we go. One moment. Like, I just fed them! Okay. I'm trying this one more time. Heard noise and I died. Try this one more time. No, I said that last time, but this is one more time. Last time. Go. Alright, come on. I know how to play. have my guns yet. I don't know why I'm automatically at 49 health. Kinda makes me mad. That's alright. Oh. What is that? Whatever, this is dead. Alright. Come on. This should be where stuff really gets tricky. Oh my god almighty! Oh my god! Come on, go down! No! That was my last attempt. I'm done. When I saw this Ratchet and Clank game, I did not think it was going to be a rage game. It raged a little bit. Okay. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, like, subscribe, and peace out.